Friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Ananda, and today we are going to explore how to develop an integration, basically how to create a simple flow and how to do data with validation in Anypoint Code Builder. So before moving forward, I would request you to take a pause over here and check my earlier video if you have not done so, because this video is a continuation of the earlier video. Also, my request, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do so, and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I release a new video, you will get a notification. With that, let's move ahead with exploring this create simple flow. Okay, now I logged into my Anypoint Code Builder. So first thing what I will do, I will log into my Anypoint platform. So I will just press Shift Control P to open the command palette. Just let me do 1 second. Shift Control P. Yes, and I will click on login to Anypoint platform. I will allow. I will open. Okay, so now I go back to my code builder. So this is, I already logged in. So let me go back to my Anypoint Code Builder, and as I mentioned earlier video also, you can see your user ID, that means you are logged in. Now let us click on this develop and integration part. Okay, and before that, let me show you one more thing. I think earlier video we already discussed this. So you have to go to this, you have to go to view, and then you have to go to preferences. So sorry, file, then preferences, and then you can go to configure user snippet, and here you check Mule XML JSON. Earlier video we have seen, we have added this. So this is the prerequisite before starting the development. So please follow my earlier video. Again, I'm mentioning this. So I will provide the link in the description box so that you can go ahead and check that video first and then come back and continue. So let us give a name. Let's give a name as demo hello world. Because that is what we are going to do. And create a very simple flow. And now you can select the location. So that will be your home location. So I have already created a within my home location. I've created a folder demo. How I created the folder and all, everything I have explained in my earlier videos. So I would request you guys to see the entire series on this Anypoint Code Builder, because each video is continuation to its earlier video. Now press OK and then create the project. So you will create the project. Sometime it's creating, it's created. So I just click on this demo hello world.xml and the empty flow open. So I will click here so that we can also see the visual presentation of the code. So Anypoint Code Builder, when you are going to develop the code, you have to develop it on the .xml file. Unlike our Anypoint Studio IDE, here modification will be done on the XML file, and on the visual you will see that how your code modification is impacting the overall. So yeah, so now it is showing empty canvas because as of now I have not created any flow. So before that, creating any flow, we will start with the configuration. So first we'll create a HTTP listener configuration. So moment I type HTTP, I will start seeing that it will give me some option of HTTP listener. So now the listener is not here, so I have to download it from Exchange. But before that, what I will show you, last video we have configured that mule config.xml file, and from that JSON file, sorry, mule config JSON file. So from that JSON file, whatever we have defined with those file, I mean, from there we are getting this options. So if I click on this HTTP listener, it will provide this specific snippet, and then I can update my path and my configuration name and all these things. So that way it will save a lot of time for me to develop the flow. So let me delete it because not going to use it right now. So those who are watching this video for first time and not missed the earlier video, for them, I'm referring this particular file. So once again, I'm showing this. Go to preference, go to configure user snippet. If I open this file, so this is the file last video I configured. And if I go here and put HTTP, so all this mule DX namespace, whatever is coming, HTTP listener config, these are coming from this specific file. So you can see this is the mule DX HTTP listener config definition. So that way you can, once you create that code snippet, that will help you a lot in getting the flow, and you need not to do everything from scratch. Anyways, now first thing what I need to do here is that I need to import asset from Exchange, and I need to select connector, and I will select a HTTP connector. I will type HTTP and press it. So now I will select this HTTP connector option, and I will select this connector. So that will add, this connector will be added in my POM file as a dependency. If I open the POM, you can see that under the dependency, this HTTP connector got added. So now if I type HTTP, it will allow me to take the HTTP listener config. So let me take this and let me give a name of this listener config. So let me give a name to it. Let me give listener config, something like this. And let me provide the document name. So now I have to configure the list. So HTTP listener connection. So it will configure the connections. I will not change anything. I will keep it as it is. After that, I will start creating the flow. So let me type flow, and it's automatically provide me the flow definition. So you can see, let me remove it. So I will see, select this flow. This flow is coming from my the file snippet file what I defined. I mean what we discussed in my earlier video. But I'm going to use this. So I have to take that option, and now let me give the flow name as hello world, and you can give the doc name also. So now we can define the. So let me type HTTP because I asked get HTTP. see that already the listener comes and the rest of the as it is now transformation. So now we will get a data within this so I have transform, and there is an option called transform with output JSON. So let's take this option. What I do, I will do this particular section. I will buy data with so let me some simple function I have just saying that I mean I converted this hello world in uppercase and then I will attribute for down that I want to so that whether this has been this data wave is getting created properly or not. So before that, you should go to your form file and let's see. Yes, you have to check that whether specific dependency is going to be added or not. If this is not added, then you have to manually add this. You have to check views of documentation. You find this code snippet, and you have to copy that from here and you can paste it. But what I observe usually it is coming by default, so it must be add anything manually. Now, what we need to do. So this is what we have already created as part of data we have in flow creation. So check by this. So I just refreshed the web page and now again I added this transform and this transform. So this is the by default display. And here is the bulk. You can see that bulk. I will get an option run. So before doing this run preview, let me change this. Change this code. I want to change this. Now it is working fine. So now what I will do, I will paste this specific and run. I will start it. Now one note of caution, I tried to run without debugging. If I run this without debugging mode, I saw that whatever I did, my Datawave part is not working. I mean, it's every time it is a problem with all the valid Datawave syntax. So I think we need to run this in the start debugging mode. With this start debugging mode, if your case is run without debugging, Datawave is working section, and also comment that what step I missed, because as of now like this run option with Datawave is not working as per expectation. But start debugging code is working fine. So I will start and we'll start deploying build and deploy the code. Let's wait for some execution. I can that means my code is working properly. So other thing is that if you don't want to run it from here or you run it second, because the specific URL, so you will get from here. You go to Anypoint Code Builder and it's from your Anypoint Code Builder, right? And then right here you get the URL. Copy that URL. Here slash proxy. That's how you can list your code locally or the port number and finally the endpoint which is valid. And you click and you will get the out. And if you go here, you will see your code is up and running. So any change you want to do in the Datawave, you can test it on your preview out even before deploying the code and testing it. So it's a utility through which you can check your Datawave file. So suppose if I want to do upper hello and then I change it to something like plus plus world and then preview, you can see output got changed as per my modification. So this way you can test your Datawave file before deploying it on the local runtime. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel because that is the only motivation I have to create further videos. Very soon I will come up with my next video on Anypoint Code Builder where we will see that how to deploy the code on CloudUp. Till then, thanks for being with me and thanks for all your support. Thank you. See you soon.